new hair who did stop playing with her. Period I, period period I, period get into it. No, just a little slide, nothing too major, you feel me? Just a little swoop. Hey Bookie, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeda Dezarae, where it's all things locks and self-development. And today, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this look, okay? So if you're interested on how I did this, just keep on watching. Before we hop into it though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the top gal, okay? And hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video from me. Now let's get it. So as you can see, she's dusty, she's crusty. Haven't washed my hair in 2 months, but get into the inches because it's very much touching my shoulders. Okay, what I'm about to go do is wash and condition my hair before we get into this style. If you guys are interested in seeing like a detailed wash day routine for me, I do have a video of that right here, so watch it if you'd like to see either side. Okay, I'll be back when my hair is freshly washed. Alrighty, I just got out the shower and I am t-shirt drying my hair just to get most of that moisture out of there. Next thing that we have to do before I actually style my locks is moisturize my locks. So I'm gonna go on with my holy grail moisturizing lock concoction. So first I'm gonna pour my aloe vera juice into, into this spray mister bottle, and I'm really running out, so we're just gonna pour all of it. This is the last of what I got. This is some good shit. If you're interested in this, it's in my Amazon storefront. Highly recommend aloe vera on my locks compared to just water. It be having my locks real nice and moisturized, and it makes my hair grow really fast. So a few drops of lavender oil just to get some of that smell good, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna go on ahead and drop a few drops of the jojoba oil. So this is what we're working with. This is what it looks like. Shake that bad boy up and spray her down. Make sure y'all get them roots too. The roots and the ends. Don't miss them. You just want to rub it through. Rub it through, rub it through, rub it through. And then just for some extra moisture, I'm going to go in with my jojoba oil and put a little bit on my hand. I'm just going to run that through my locks. I really only run oil through my locks when I initially wash my hair, or if like I'm getting to the point where my hair is like really dry and I need it and I know I'm not going to wash it. That's when I do it. But I don't do this often. And don't forget them edges. Once the hair is moisturized, we are just going to section it off into 4 sections. Okay. And I'm just using my lock to make a ponytail. Cause you know your girl hair long now. It can do that. Don't play with me. Okay. My hair is sectioned off, so I'm gonna work in sections. I'm gonna start in this section. So the style that I'm doing is my go-to style. It's gonna be my rope twist with a side part. Okay, I am going to do the back, and then I'm gonna come to the front and show you guys how I do the front because, yeah. All right, so I'll be back. I literally started my hair at 9 o'clock, and it is 11:32. Do not play with these hands because they fast. Okay, but this is what we're working with. I only have 2 rows left. We are doing a side part, period. Get into it, but get into the parts. They crispy. Get into the twist. They crispy. I've already moisturize my hair from what you guys seen from earlier, so I'll really only spray this again if it's super duper dry and I just need a little bit of moisture to it. But you don't want to add too much water to the root part when you're about to retwist it, because the gel that you use may not slick it down as much as it can be slicked because it's too wet. You're gonna take this pony out and we are gonna work on this row that's coming over here. We're gonna split this down the middle like this. And then what you want to do is get yourself a rat tail comb. Rat tail meaning that it is like one of those metal ends. And then you just want to make sure that your part is crispy. So if you see some hair is going a little over here, that's supposed to be over here, crisp it up, please, okay? This is a crispy hairstyle, all right? So we're just fixing up that part. So then next, we are going to go in with our gel. If you're a returning subscriber or if you're new, you guys will know that my go-to lock gel is the super, I'll put it on the screen right here, but it is the Super Grow Hair Gel. You can find it in my Amazon storefront. That shit is the truth. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. The only con that I don't like about it is that it's $16 plus. But I recently, just the other day, found a new lock gel that I have been testing out in this video, and I absolutely love it. The formula of it is very similar to the one that I just recommended that's on my Amazon storefront. The one that's on Amazon is just a little bit better, but this is still really good. Made for Locs Loc Gel, and this is what the consistency of it looks like. That's the consistency of this gel. It's very thick. It's thick. Just the way I like, you feel me? Not too watery based, more jelly. And I've noticed that it doesn't have any buildup, and it also says it on there. It says that it is a firm hold for retwisting and styling, and it is non-flaking. So far, haven't noticed any flaking or anything like that, which I'm sure I probably wouldn't notice right away right now, probably as days go on. But let me tell you, it's really good, because I know you see that crispiness. Do not play with her, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit on our finger, and we are just going to apply a little bit on the roots right here, just so it can get real nice and crispy. And then we are going to take our tail comb, and we are just going to smooth that product in with the tail comb in our finger to ensure that it is laid. Now, once you do that, that's when you're gonna start retwisting. You know when you want the last two? You know when you want the last two? So I already put the gel right here, as y'all seen before. Bang, bang, bang. So what you're gonna do, separate the lock. Bomb. Make sure that part is crispy. Okay? Bomb, bomb, bomb. Once you make sure the lock is crispy, take this lock, comb through the root, make sure it's no tangles. You're gonna go in with your gel. I'm gonna go in with that much. Go like that with my finger, so it's on my index and my thumb. Run it through, run it through, run it through, run it through. One last comb through with your tail comb. Smooth out all your gel. We're gonna twist counterclockwise. So you're gonna twist your wrist. You wanna turn your wrist that way. All right, so turning, turning, turning. You see this excess right here? All that excess right there. You see that big bubble? You wanna twist that into the lock. So you're just twisting it into the lock until it gets nice and smooth. Twist and twist and twist. See all the excess hair? All that excess hair, you're gonna twist down the shaft of your lock. Okay? Until there's no more hair left to twist. See that little excess of lock gel? Take your t-shirt, wipe off the excess. You're just making sure everything is nice and crispy. Boom. The lock is nice, it's smooth, nice and taut at the root. You're gonna take your butterfly clip, because we twisted going this way, we're gonna clip it going this way. Boom, clip that bad boy out the way. There it goes. And then the last and final lock. Same steps. Comb through, because this is on the perimeter of my hair. You wanna take out any little baby hair. Any little baby hair. You're gonna go in with your lock gel. Get some of that. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Run it through. Once you run it through, comb it. And sorry if you see I'm like moving over here, moving over here, moving over here. It's because the camera is right directly in front of me and there's a mirror behind the camera. So we're gonna twist it counterclockwise. Any little excess, like this little ball right here, You guys see it? Boom. You're gonna twist that into the lock until it's nice and smooth. And then any excess hair, you're just gonna twist all the way down the shaft of the lock. So because we twisted going this way counterclockwise, now we are gonna rope twist the lock going this way. So we retwisted the lock going this way, we're gonna rope twist the lock going this way. Hope these instructions help, and I hope it is not confusing, because it's a lot easier to learn when you do it compared to just watching me. I'm a hands-on learner and a visual learner, so hopefully this helps. So as we retwist it going this way towards you, we are going to retwist it going this way towards me. So you're going to take your front lock, put that over your back lock, and then twist one more time. Once you can go like this and you see that root is nice and taut, then you can just continue to rope twist down. Now when you're rope twisting, you don't want to do it loosely, because the twist is going to look loose. It's not going to look as nice and like a spiral, okay? So you want to twist tight, not too tight to the point where it's like, oh my God, my root is burning, but tight enough to where it's like, okay, we secured, we neat, we on fleek, do not play with her. And then before I secure it with my rubber band, I like to go into the root and just kind of do like a little mini untwist, kinda, in a way, just so that it's not super tight at the root. And then we can lock it in place with our rubber bands. We're doing 2 rubber bands, 2 elastic bands, and we just wrap it around tight enough so that we know it's not gonna slip off, it's secure, all on its own. And then once you get to the last loop, you don't want to go all the way through with the hair that's sticking out. You just want to close it up right there. And that's how you have a little ball. This is the style. Do not play with me. Okay. Alright guys, and if you guys did not know, I have 73 locks. So there is one lock that is not in a rope twist, but you can't even see it, it's hidden. It's gonna be this lock that's right in the back, right down the middle. That's the only lock that is not rope twisted. I want to show you guys how I wrap my hair at nighttime. So I just had to retire my current bonnet because my hair getting too long. Sorry, not sorry. So I had to buy a new bonnet, and your girl went and got the long bonnet, you know, the really, okay, inches. All right, so got this from Walmart. There was a lock bonnet that looked just like this, but the band was a little bit different, but the band on that one looked like it wasn't gonna be as comfortable as this one. Yes, I did take the packages out when I was at the store, just so I know what I'm buying before I buy it, because ain't nobody got time to come back to the store and do a return. The band doesn't seem like it'll be too tight around the perimeter. That's one thing I do not like. I do not like a bonnet where the perimeter is tight as hell. This is what the outer band looks like, but it's pretty long. There's a button at the end of this bonnet. There's like this little hook right here at the front of the bonnet. So I'm assuming that this, whatever's hanging off, can come right up and just swoop right up right there. So the shiny part goes on the inside. The shiny part goes on the inside. Okay. Put it on, fit all your hair through. That bad boy. Alright, and then just flip that over my ears. Me personally don't like my bonnet on my ears at nighttime. Never been a fan of that. I'm gonna take the bottom of this, and we're literally just gonna bring it up like this, bump. Just gonna clip this button, just like that. Do not play with her. Okay, now, I will see you guys in the morning when I'm dolled up. Good morning, guys. So, first of all, I rate this bonnet a 10 out of 10. Girl, it did not slip, slide, or nothing all night. So, run, don't lock, okay? But now we about to slay these edges. This is how it got held together under this bonnet. new hair who did stop playing with her. For edges, y'all already know, okay? But if you're new, let me put you on. First, we're gonna go in with our Eco Styler Gel. And we're gonna put down on those edges first. But before I do that, I'm just gonna take a little bit of my little concoction, spray it on my hand a little bit, and kind of wet down my edges a bit. We're gonna go in with our gel. It looks like that because where I live is like really cold right now, so it's like jello. I'm just gonna put that on those edges. I'm gonna go in with my edge control brush. The crustier the brush, the better the edges. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. After I put the Eco Styler Gel on, I'm going to seal it in with my She Is Bomb Edge Control. If y'all know, this that crack. This is what it looks like. It's really clear because it's so cold in my house right now. It looks like it's kind of white casty, but it's not. It will only cast on you if you put too much. We're going with about that much on this section over here. And just lay it down just for the little tail end. And then I just brush right over it and seal it in place. Period I, period period I, period get into it. You know, just a little slide, nothing too major, you feel me? Just a little swoop. You know, nothing too much. Alrighty, loves, and that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you already know what to do. Smash the like button. Comment down below if you have any questions on products. If you have any questions on technique, shoot your girl a text, a DM, or a comment on this video, and I will get back to you. All products will be listed in the description box, and I love you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Before I close out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the top Gyal Gang, where you can learn more about taking care of your locks and self-development. I love you guys. Stay sexy, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!